let's go ahead and tint those tail lights. Some good old Rust-Oleum lens tint for 17 bucks. Pick it up at Walmart. Let's get into this one. Now you don't have to tint just your tail lights. You can do any one of the lights on your car. But if you do tint like your headlights or your blinkers or your fog lamps I guess don't really matter. But these two, don't go too dark. Same thing with your tail lights. If you go too dark, you won't see through them. You're gonna get your ass pulled over. You don't want that to happen. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is you gotta get your tail lights out. Fine, you just gotta remove these pins here. Once you got them off, you want to clean them up and get all dirt and debris off of the tail light. I'm just using an alcohol wipe here to get this cleaned off. Now that the tail lights are all cleaned up, we're ready to spray them down. And that's how you can go ahead and tint your taillights for 17 bucks, courtesy of Walmart. Even though I don't care for Walmart, you know what? Go to O'Reilly's, see if they got it. If you don't want to do it spray wise, you can get vinyl sticker crap put on there. For it fades quicker unless you get really good stuff, or you can buy for way more money already blacked out tail lights from anywhere. Basically Amazon has them, but stay to a good known brand. But for 17 bucks, there you go, tint it out. Rust-Oleum lens tint, 17 bucks. Get you some, black out them tail lights, them fog lights. Don't go too dark. Mine are pushing it, I feel. A little darker than I wanted to go. But kind of rushed this whole thing. I should have did that. Don't rush anything. Let it come natural, let it flow. But we'll see you next time. Later on, dudes and dudettes.